Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe from HelloFresh, and this is a crispy artichoke salad with a garlic aioli sauce. I love artichokes, so I was pretty sure I was going to love this meal, and I did. It was super quick to make. It only took 30 minutes or less. And all the ingredients came in this bag. For the most part, everything's kind of measured for you. The only thing you need to do is wash all the produce and prep it. So I have everything divided out on my cutting board. And so the first thing is you heat up some olive oil and add all your potatoes and cook them on medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. When those are nice and brown, you can remove those to a paper towel lined plate and season with salt and pepper. Then I added a little bit more olive oil back to that same pan, and I'm adding the artichokes. These will take about 5 to 6 minutes to brown. And again, when those are done, I remove them to a paper towel lined plate and season with salt and pepper. All there's left to do is make the aioli sauce. So I have some mayonnaise and vinegar. You can add in some garlic and chipotle powder to taste. And then season with salt and pepper. And once you give that a really good mix, you are done. All you have left to do is plate the meal. So the meals I get are for 2 people. You can get 4-person meals. So I'm just trying to divide everything evenly. So I added the arugula, the potatoes, artichokes. Then I added in the tomatoes and green olives. And I absolutely hate green olives, but anytime HelloFresh wants me to put something in a recipe that I don't like, I still do it because I always end up enjoying it. So that's what I did, and this was amazing. Then I added some sliced almonds and some feta cheese. And then I just drizzled with some aioli and garnished it with some parsley. This is absolutely delicious, and I will definitely be remaking this recipe in the future because I loved it so much. So if you'd like to try HelloFresh, I do have a promo code down below that'll save you $40 off your first box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.